Spread out. The rear seats of your Mini give you flexible space. Want more legroom? Just pull up the lever and slide the rear seats of your Mini Countryman. This works separately for both sides. Comfy, right? The boot space is also extendable. For more volume, pull the loop and flip the backrest down. Perfect fit! In your Mini Countryman, the backrest can be shifted into 6 positions. From comfort for relaxing to cargo for maximum load capacity. Got long items? Just fold down the middle and load them through without moving the rear seats. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.